Muzzleloader season today, but still taking the old smoke gun. I'm going to take my bow, which I've been doing for years now, and I used to gun hunt all the time. Just anything you can put out there, I'd take it in a deer hunt, but kind of lost the challenge to it and just strictly bow hunting now. I love to bow hunt, and anyway, as you can see, we got our orange on because of the safety for muzzleloader, and I definitely want it on because not everybody's like I am. I watch what I shoot, you know, and sometimes some of them just, well, I ain't gonna go there. But anyway, so we're headed for a little place we hunt. It's Finger Woods, meets into a bigger area of woods, probably I'd say 300 or 400 acres beyond me, and these deer come up these fingers of woods, come out in these pastures and cornfields and stuff and eat, and then they filter back in these little fingers and corners. And we're hunting the corner of this wood this morning. Well, my buddy, he ain't with me today because he's sick. He's staying home, but anyway, I'm going to go out there and get after it and hopefully be able to kill doe. Maybe in a buck. We got a good buck on the place. Real nice picture of him. He's probably 18 inches wide. Real heavy body. I only got well, I got 3 pictures of him in the daytime, in one setting, but he hasn't been back since. That's the way it is nearly every year. I'll get one good picture of a buck out there, but for them just to be staying there, they don't stay there in that woods. They stay in the bigger body of woods. So he could show up, though. I mean, if he's after does or checking out does, he could be by. So never know till you go. So that's what we're going to do today, head out that way. We'll see you in the woods. Anyway, these are the woods I'm hunting right here. A lot of deer come up, well, almost anywhere, basically out of this bottom. Sometimes over here to the left. Anyway, right out here is the old growed up field. Oh, back in there, goes down that corner. Ain't very big, about an acre, 2 acres of growed up field. And this is the corner. A lot of times they'll come right up this edge here, come up through this corner. Right in here. Set back today, this morning, see what develops. Hopefully a doe will come in. I love shooting does. Just a punch of buck with a big rack is just icing on the cake. But anyway, I like to shoot them does too. I just enjoy deer hunting. But anyway, we'll be quiet, see what comes along. two. About 4 deer right in here. 2 of them was down the hill. 2 of them come up. They're still down there, but I believe that didn't fail. I think I heard it fall. Give it a little time. We'll go check it out. You'll see my green lighted knock down there. Yeah, there it is. Covered with blood. You can see it from here. That's awesome. I think I'll just go ahead and get the truck and drive up here as close as I can, and then we'll go find her. Okay, let's go see if we can find her. Okay, there's the stand I was hunting from. Right there. It's about 21, 22 yards from there. Something like that. Okay, here's my arrow. Yep. Blood on it. Well, I lost blood and come on down the hill here to this fence right here and started walking it. Well, I found blood right here at the fence where she went through the fence or under the fence. Now she went over on the neighbor's property, but I've called the neighbor and she just gave me permission to cross, so I went across and I see blood across the fence over here, so it definitely went that way. So there's blood right there, some hair right there, blood on that leaf over there. Looks like, I can tell there's blood right on them leaves over there and through that thick stuff. Looks like she jumped. Anyway, we're going to cross the fence and go keep trailing. This has been a tough track job. I mean, just spot here, spot, 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 spot. Kind of dry up and then go down maybe 2 feet, find another spot, spot, spot. That's what we're talking about right there, just little spots. I want to show you something though. You're wondering which way your deer is headed. If you notice that blood hit there and it's strung out that way, that means a deer is going that way. So anyway, she come to this point, she turned, went down that sinkhole. She's laying right up there. One tough track job. There she is. Pretty good sized doe. Pretty good shot, but I don't know why she didn't bleed much. But thankful we found her. Another thing that's kind of funny, coming down that hill right there, I've jumped a buck right here on this ridge, not probably 10, 15 feet away from her. He jumped up and ran off, little bitty old buck. I thought she might be laying down that hole, since I've seen him do that. Doe will fall down, and the buck's nearby, he'll come, he'll mess around with her and stuff. A lot of times he'll go bed down, pretty close to him. So that's what he did. But anyway, like I said, we found her, and I'm thankful we did. She's already stiff. But anyway, here she is. And I'm about to run out of arrows. I'm going to have to fix me some more arrows up. Anyway, big old doe. I was really wondering when they come in, I'm up so high, it almost looked like, you know, fawns, maybe yearlings. Kept on looking at her, and she's got this big old long nose. I thought, well, that ain't no fawn. That's bound to be a big old doe. And so I went ahead and shot her, and sure enough, she's pretty good size. Anyway, till next time, keep watching Buckbuster Outdoors, and subscribe, and I'll hopefully have more coming.